Today I'm going to show you how to use Teamviewer on a laptop in a simple and clear way. First, go to the official Teamviewer website and download the app for your laptop. Once the download is complete, install it by following the setup steps. After installing, open Teamviewer. On the main screen, you'll see your ID and password. These are used when someone wants to connect to your laptop. Now, if you want to access another device, go to the Remote Control section. Enter the ID of the other computer and click Connect. Then type the password and you'll be able to control that device directly from your laptop. If someone wants to access your laptop, just share your ID and password with them. Once they connect, they can view or control your screen depending on the permissions. You can also use features like file transfer, chat, and screen sharing directly inside Teamviewer, making it useful for support, work, or collaboration. For easier access, you can create a Teamviewer account and save your devices for quick connections in the future. And that's it. Now you know how to use Teamviewer on a laptop quickly and efficiently.